What's going on, you guys? You got Mike here from Mike'sMoneyTips.com today. Coming at you with a way to show you probably make $30+ an hour online without any real skills or anything, as long as you got a computer or smartphone or anything with an internet connection. You should be able to do most of this. I'm going to give you 7 websites in order to check out to make some extra money. But here again, you're going to be trading time for money. If you want something a little bit more passive, check out the first link in the description. It will show you how to make a full-time living online from the comfort of your own house. It's what I've been doing for the last little bit, try to make some extra money. Without further ado, let's get started. First one we're going to talk about is TreasureTrooper.com. It's a website that it's basically a survey site. It's they've got offers ranging from 50 cent to $50 a piece. Complete offers, you can get paid. There are over $3,000 in offers here. Be rewarded. You can even play games and get paid. I didn't realize that. And you can refer a friend. I've never even heard of this site, but this site's about 15 years old. Until I was watching some of the other mentors that I've got online talking about this. Here, you know, as you can see, they've paid over $7.6 million on it, and this is how it works. I saw something else before I went back. You may request instant payout or wait to be paid automatically on the 15th through 20th of the month for your entire previous month earnings. But you got to have a minimum balance of $20 before you can withdraw. So, refer a friend, get extra 20% of all the offers they complete for all, and 5% commission from anybody that your friends refer. So you can make some really good money referring people. You know. So, but let's go to the next one. We have CashCrate.com. It's paid surveys, side hustle, part-time jobs. It's not a job. Rewards, shopping. This right here is, it's another type of, you know, you can Uber, Sitter City, and you know, it's childcare, DoorDash, Mechanical Turk for Amazon, and they've got more for the side hustle jobs. Surveys, you got, come on, load back up. You got Tuluit, Point Club, Opinion Outpost. I say you've got a lot on here. If you just want rewards, you got Swag Bucks, Emboss Dollars, PrizeRebel. I don't know what this one is, but anyway. And then shopping, you have Ebates, which is no longer there, or Toucan, but same thing. Coupons.com, My Points, Tell Me Not, and more. So let's go to the next one. We've got InstaGC. You get points for doing things you already do online, which redeem your points into gift cards. Here you got complete surveys, watch videos, shopping, search web. Like the shopping, you go through their web browser to go like Amazon or whatever, and same as watching videos to go to YouTube. They've been around a really long time too. Now you heard me talk about this one just a few minutes ago. Go back to the home page here. It's Opinion Outpost. I don't know if you heard it whenever I went over it when Cash Crate, but what it is, you can take online surveys, gets paid extra cash. Rewards, they pay out an Amazon gift cards, Apple Pay, PayPal. These are testimonials. As you can see, they've been around for a good little bit too. There's their blogs. They're a really good, reputable company. They work with some of the industry leaders. They, all you got to do is say, like me, I'm a male, my first and last name, email, and confirm email. And then, they'd send you a confirmation email to let you log in and everything else, and you'd be up and running with these guys. It's a really simple thing, not that hard to do. It's easy money. Next one we've got is Emboss Dollars. This one right here even gives you $5 just for signing up. I mean, you watch TV, take surveys, shopping, cash offers. I mean, I'm actually a part of this. It's on my phone, not on the computer. They constantly sending me emails 3, 4, 5, 6 times a day to do things to make money with it. You can make money with it. You get rewarded for, like they say, watching TV. One of them I had to sign, or one of them they sent me, it was a $50 thing. It was sign up for Uber Eats. That's all I had to do was sign up. I've never ran anything, but I made $50 just to sign up for it. So, and 56 million in cash rewards paid, as you see. Now, this guy saying he didn't get complete waste of time. You spend your year working 40 hours a week. He's whining. But you see, these people work with, like I said, I signed up with Uber Eats. I've done a few surveys. I've done a few other odds and ends, and I've made money with Emboss Dollars, so they do pay, I promise you. The next one we're going to talk about, well, if it loads, that way y'all can see what it is. It's Survey Junkie. You get paid to take surveys here. The reason why these people need you to take the surveys is so you can help mold the internet into what you want to see. If you do that, it really helps a lot. Whenever, like if you set up your own website, you send it to places to let them look over it and figure out what it needs to be better, for SEO and stuff. It's a really good way to do it. As you can see, you can get Amazon, Target gift cards, PayPal. It's like they say, your opinion can make a difference. I mean, it really can. It's a really good, relatively easy way to make money. Granted, not as easy as the first link in the description, but it really is. And next and last one, we have, come on, load up. I know my computer's slow because we're screen recording. I'm sorry, fellas, but it'll be here in a second. There we go. It's PrizeRebel.com. It's you can sign up in 10 seconds. I mean, you can just click on Facebook sign up and be really quick, but make money online, complete paid online surveys, earn points, redeem for cash gifts. See, he just claimed PayPal custom amount, didn't even say. So you can reward it through Amazon, PayPal, iTunes, Walmart. As you can see, they've got 9 million people on their computer, or members on their computer. 19 million in cash rewards already redeemed since 07, so they've been around for 12 years. Gift cards Cash rewards paid today over $2,000. You know how you get started. Click sign up button, enter your email, answer the survey, sign up, and redeem. I mean, it's that simple. And as you see, they are on very trusted websites here. I mean, it's a good, easy way to make some extra money. But you know, just remember, guys, I try to bring y'all some value 5 days a week, Monday through Friday. So, you know, do me a favor, hit that like, smash the subscribe button, help a brother out. Till tomorrow.